Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious whipped cream using Amul fresh cream. First, it's crucial to prepare your ingredients and tools. Amul fresh cream, typically with 25% milk fat, works well for whipping. Make sure your cream, mixing bowl, and beater attachments are thoroughly chilled, ideally below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This chilling process helps the fat molecules stabilize and trap air effectively, leading to a much better volume and texture. Also, ensure everything is completely dry. Once your cream and equipment are perfectly chilled, pour the thick part of the Amul fresh cream into your cold bowl. Start whipping on a low speed to gently incorporate air, then slowly increase the speed to medium-high. This gradual increase helps the cream build structure. Continue whipping until you see soft peaks forming. At this stage, the cream will hold its shape briefly before gently flopping over. Now is the perfect time to add any powdered sugar or flavorings you desire. To achieve stiff peaks, continue whipping the cream on medium-high speed. You'll notice the cream becoming much firmer and holding its shape more readily. When you lift the beaters, the peaks should stand up straight and firm without collapsing. This indicates your whipped cream is ready. However, be very careful not to overwhip. If you continue beating past the stiff peak stage, the fat molecules will separate, leading to a grainy texture or even turning into butter. Stop as soon as those stiff peaks form. For the best experience, it's always recommended to use your freshly whipped Amul cream immediately. Its light and airy texture is at its peak right after whipping. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. While it's best fresh, properly stored whipped cream will generally maintain its quality for about 2 to 3 days. Beyond that, it may start to lose its volume and become a bit watery, though it might still be safe to consume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.